Hey, good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourselves. I am your English teacher, Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. So, yesterday we have completed Krishna and Sudama and its exercises from English Reader book. So, today we will start prepositions from your English practice book. Okay, so let's start. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. The cherries are the bowl. The rats jumped the river. The boy is standing the bench. This sentence doesn't make a meaning, right? To make it a meaning, we have to add a preposition so that the sentences will be meaningful and it will be complete. So, the correct sentences will be: the cherries are in the bowl. The rats jumped into the river. The boy is standing on the bench. By adding in into on, we made it a meaningful sentences, right? So it makes a relation between cherries and the ball, in, jumping and the river, into, and on, relation between in, standing and the bench. So the words in, into, on are prepositions. So by this we can say a preposition shows a relation between a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. दूसरे शब्द के साथ संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के रिलेशन को बताता है, मतलब उसको रिलेट करता है, ठीक है, तो वो प्रीपोजिशन हो गया। मतलब उसके आसपास बिना उसके रिलेट के, बिना संज्ञा सर्वनाम, बिना नाउन प्रोनाउन के रिलेट के प्रीपोजिशन से हम प्रीपोजिशन मीनिंगफुल नहीं बना सकते हैं, राइट। चलिए, तो यहाँ पे प्रीपोजिशंस क्या क्या हैं: in, on, at, under, below, behind, over, near, into, in front of, upon, besides, between, after, before। और यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं पिक्चर्स एंड द यूसेज ऑफ प्रीपोजिशंस। जैसे द पपी इज़ इन द बास्केट, सिटिंग ऑन द टेबल, सिटिंग नियर द बास्केट, इज़ बिहाइंड द बास्केट, सिटिंग बिटवीन द टू बास्केट्स, इज़ सिटिंग अमॉन्ग द किटन्स, the puppy is sitting under the fan. So this, the bold letter words, the black bold letter words in, on, near, behind, between, among, under are the prepositions. Here also, the puppy is under the table, sleeping beside its mother. The puppy is jumping over the box. The puppy is going into the kennel. The puppy is running around the basket. The bold letter words are prepositions, and with the help of prepositions we have make a meaningful sentences. So all the bold words in the sentences are prepositions. So we will do here, underline the preposition in the following sentence. The first one is: the little boy hid behind his mother. Behind is the preposition. The people gathered in the stadium. In is the preposition. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. On is the preposition. Don't stand near the electric pole. Near is the preposition. The books were arranged on the shelf. On is the preposition. The books were arranged in the book rack. In is the preposition. Distribute the chocolates among the students. Among is the preposition. Here, distribute the chocolates between the two brothers. Between is the preposition. The princess was locked inside the castle. Inside is the preposition. July comes after June. After is the preposition. The birds flew over the field. Over is the preposition. Rohit is sitting beside his father. Beside is the preposition. The river water is flowing above the danger mark. Above is a preposition. The river water is flowing below the danger mark. Below is a preposition. The shooter aimed at the target. At is the preposition, right? In worksheet 2, observe the picture and tick the correct option. The first one is: the ball is under the table. The basket is on the table. The apples are into the basket. The wall clock is between the calendar and the painting. The painting is hanging near the window. There is a computer in the corner of the room. There is a pen stand on the table beside the computer. There is a shoe rack behind the curtain. Again, in this next worksheet, look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition from the aid box given in the next page. First one is: kitten 1 is sitting out the drawer. Next one is: kitten 2 is sitting at the carpet. Kitten 3 is sleeping under the bed. Kitten 4 is jumping on the cushion. Kitten 5 is sitting near the table. Kitten 6 is running after a mouse. Kitten 7 is running around the bottle of milk. Kitten 8 sitting in front of the television. Kitten 9 is looking at the cookie jar. Kitten 10 is jumping over the box. So next one is the following sentences have been taken from A2. Nina is the winner. From my English reader. Underline all the prepositions. We have already done the chapter. So here let's see where are the prepositions. Nina was running ahead of all participants and just behind her was Medha. Here ahead and behind is the preposition. The chief guest called Nina to the stage. To is the preposition. The girl behind Medha crossed the finishing point. Behind is the preposition. The spectators sat on chairs around the racing track. On and around is the preposition. Okay. So I hope you have all understood the exercises. If not, if you feel any difficulty, any issue, you can ask me. I am there to help you out always. Okay. So by this I'll end my class, and we will meet with the next worksheets of this chapter in our next class. Till then, bye. Take care all of you. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay at home, respect your teachers, parents and elders, and most important, study hard and stay at home. So bye all of you, take care and have a very nice day. Bye students, bye.